The price of power. The wolf, a phantom of the forest and a real treasure among the fauna of the Iberian Peninsula. The eternal villain in popular culture, it is both harassed and admired. The fight against wolves has even led some people to build pits and drive wolves into them to kill them, sometimes even exhibiting them publicly. They were considered harmful and dangerous, surrounded by a halo of mystery and almost supernatural abilities. Now rigorous scientific studies are revealing their true nature. Dr. Isabel Barja of the Autonomous University of Madrid is studying the wolves in the northwest of the Iberian Peninsula. She carries out her work in spectacular virgin landscapes like those of Os Montes do Invernadero Natural Park. As with most mammals, their excrement represents a valuable source of information. The characteristics of the hair and bones that it contains allows scientists to identify with certainty what the wolves ate. 5 years of work and the collection of close to 600 samples have revealed that wild ungulates, like roe deer, red deer, and wild boar, are their preferred prey, even when they live in areas with domestic livestock. But besides defining their diet, the wolves' excrement provide many more data about their fascinating behavior. The fecal markings left by wolves can contain valuable information for their fellow wolves. Dr. Barja and her associates studied the volatile chemical compounds present in these markings. When they compared the samples from young wolves with those of adults, they found that the feces of adult wolves contained a greater number of chemical compounds, 77 different compounds, as compared to only 26 in the pups. In addition, the samples from pups do not include compounds secreted by the anal glands. All this indicates that adults use their feces to send information to others. Wolves place some of their feces in conspicuous and elevated places. This behavior makes it easier for other wolves to locate them and spreads their scent farther. The research has shown that they choose the plants they mark, but not just any plants. The size and species of the plant are decisive. Their ideal plant is about 60 centimeters high and 60 centimeters across. And if it is also roughly textured and hardy, then it is the perfect support. The hormones present in these feces samples can even provide information about the level of stress of the animal that left them. When she analyzed this aspect, Dr. Barja found an unexpected result. The dominant wolves were under greater levels of physiological stress than their subordinates. Until then, the results of studies with wolves in captivity had shown the subordinates to be under greater stress. In their natural environment, however, the opposite seemed to occur. If the steps to pacify the dominant wolf didn't work, they could always move away from him. But that wasn't so easy to do in captivity. The social relationships among members of this species are tremendously elaborate. Only the dominant pair, the so-called alpha pair, reproduces, but maintaining their dominant status in the wild represents a significant effort for them. By placing unobtrusive cameras with movement sensors, the team obtained photographs and videos of these elusive animals. Wolves engage in cooperative breeding, and all the members of the pack provide food for the alpha pair's pups. By using these cameras, it is even possible to observe the nocturnal behavior of the pups hidden in the depths of the forest. Day by day, studies like these reveal to us an ever clearer image of the behavior of this fascinating animal that was once our companion and ally. For much of our journey as a species, we were hunters, and wolves helped us to obtain our food. But when we settled down and became farmers, we turned our backs on them and considered them our enemies. Now we have the opportunity to discover them anew before our modern world pushes them to the brink of extinction.